Hey guys, Mark here. Um, this is basically all I use now. I know I did a video yesterday on the BD 6.0, but that was just to answer a few questions for people who were doing the AND strategy on the 1 minute. As you can see, I'm on the hour chart. I have Heikin-Ashi. I have the binary destroyer in here, but I have my support and resistance lines in here. And pretty much this is how I trade Forex all the time. I don't even the arrows for me are just a confirmation that I know what I'm doing and I'm confident that I'm going the right way. I literally wait for price to hit the hour or the 4 hour support or resistance areas. I don't take any notice of the week, month or day supply or demand. If they're in the same area, it's just an extra confirmation that I'm okay to take a trade. If you get an arrow, like if the, oh my god, I'm so sick of this. I've got a virus in my computer at the moment, and I don't really want to be bothered cleaning it out because I know what it is, and I'll fix it when I get around to it. Back to what I was just saying. Right now, I could probably take this trade with a lot of confidence because this is the 3rd hour in a row that I've had red candles with no wicks at the top. One of the things, and probably Rudy could probably answer this the best, but one of the things that I have found personally, if you start to get into a trend, whether it's up or down, if the trend of, let's just say, all red candles doesn't have wicks at the top, then you're pretty confident the price is going to keep moving down. I have found when I start getting like this here with the uptrend with wicks all over the place, I'm more likely not to want to be involved in it, even if there's an arrow or if it's hit a support or resistance area. I just try and scalp, 15 or 20 pips and get out, because I find that when there's wicks on both sides of the Heikin-Ashi that it can be a tricky one to predict, it being a continual trend. It's sort of I'm just nervous when I see it. I'll just say that. Probably Simon or Rudy could probably explain if I'm on the right track or not, but my experience so far has been this right now would be a reasonably safe entry, but me personally, I wouldn't get in because of where the stochastic is. I'd be more likely to let it go down and then come back up again and then maybe get in at a better entry point. But I just wanted to show you guys that, because right at this point now, I've already taken about 4 trades today, which I didn't let run that long. They ran for, I think the longest one ran for 2.5 hours. I got in, got my pips, got my money, got out. I find this a very simple, easy Forex method. I'm still very new to Forex and I'm still not that confident in it, and I try to make it as simple as I possibly can. And I pretty much, that's all I've got to show you at right now. If you want to try it, I'm pretty sure that the support and resistance template is in the files, and I just added the Heikin-Ashis to the binary destroyer pretty much, and that's all I did. So I'll leave it there. If you have any questions, I'm quite happy to try and answer them. Me personally, Rudy is the guy that should answer these questions if you've got, especially about Heikin-Ashi candles. I try and keep my trading pretty simple. As I said, I don't have any real reasons for when I take my trades, only except for hitting support and resistance areas. And I like to see, candles like this. If I'm looking to go down with an arrow, I always let the arrow paint. So if I'm looking at this candle here. I'm not taking it at the 40-minute mark or even the 50-minute mark. I'm waiting until it's fully painted and that arrow is going to stay there before I'm even contemplating taking the next trade. So the thing is, when that finishes, the price entry is back up here. So if you've got in for this hour, which is not complete yet, you'd already be 20 pips. So anyway, that's just what I'm doing now. I've been doing it for pretty much 6 weeks, 5 weeks, something like that. I think I've been doing okay. It's I've not really had any real bad losses. When I do my stop losses, I always put it at the highest point of the opposite candle. So if I was doing it on the reds, I go back to the highest point of the white candles and vice versa. And I always put my take profit at, if I'm going in a put direction, I find the supply. If I'm going in a call, I find the resistance, and that's where I put my take profit. It's all pretty straightforward and very elementary. There's no no complicated reasonings behind anything. I don't look for round numbers, anything like that. There's going to be some people out there just shaking their head, Mark, what are you doing? But this is what I do, and as I said, to me, there's no right and wrong way. I make money, and that's all I'm about. Never claimed to be a technical or anything kind of trader. I just want to make money, and that's all I do. And when I find something that starts to make me money, I want to stick to it. So anyway, I hope that's helped you guys. I'll leave it there. See you later.